Let's talk a little bit about shifting the mindset of estate planning being, yeah, I asked a question to my client. They have the estate plan. They're good. To integrating estate planning as part of your annual planning process. So Cindy, what have you and the team done to integrate that into your practice?
So after a client completes their estate plan, what we then do is go through, do any updates to their beneficiary designations, any account retitling, and make sure that trust is fully funded. After a year goes by, our clients' lives change, right? Their family dynamics change, maybe they've moved, whatever the case is, but we always want to check in after that year and say, all right, are you still on track? Are these beneficiaries still accurate? Is there anything in your trust that you want to make sure gets updated? And we go from there. It's just part of the whole planning process.
Helping be proactive, see opportunities. As consumers, we forget about things that relate back to our financial picture, right? And Sam, you've always talked a lot about the estate reports, being able to view your clients' documents and how it helps you. Give us a quick summary on what you typically do once your clients complete the documents and how that's helped you in more proactive planning with your clients.
Yeah, that's an awesome question. So typically when clients finish creating their estate plan, we would have a estate plan meeting with their family, their friends, and whoever the key people are in their lives that are named in their estate plan. We would use the estate plan report to make sure that we're all aligned and we're all on the same page, right? It gives me an opportunity to introduce myself to their family so they know how to contact me if something were to happen. And it really just sets the stage for building a relationship that's built on trust. Once we have that meeting, every September, we have essentially our client contact calendar. And every September, we'll go through Trust and Will's checklists. And we'll go through that for all of our clients to just basically assess if there are any changes in our clients' lives that would warrant us revisiting their estate plan. Then again, the estate plan report is extremely helpful in that regard.
Yeah, I love that. Thanks for sharing.